Hey guys, it's me Haley, and today I'm going to be trying something. Kiwi strawberry sparkling beverage. It's calorie free, sodium free, aspirin free, and caffeine free. So let's go on. I wonder if it's gonna sound like soda. Hold on. Okay, continuing. Oh my god. Okay, it is a sparkling beverage. It smells like the raspberry soda. Let's go. Doesn't taste like strawberry or kiwi, but it's not gross. It's not bad at all. It's really good actually. It looks like it's Sprite. You can see it through here, but it doesn't taste at all like Sprite. Review. Yeah. I guess this is my drink for a little while. Full liter. Barely drunk any. Maybe I'll do the pop challenge. So, see you guys next week. Bye.